Hello everyone, and welcome to SimpleProTrader channel again. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thanks for checking back. So in today's video, I am going to share some cool tricks, and also because a lot of people like indicators, right? Not that you have to rely on them all the time, but it's good guidance, or at least confirmation for your trading. So, and mostly people following it. So that would be like a kind of industry's, I guess, blueprint or guidance for many people, as long as everybody's using the same thing. So we all following. So then basically the price action and reaction to those indicators also impacts our trading. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what indicator you can use to ease and also help your trading. It doesn't matter if it's swing trading or day trading or possibly long-term trading, but I just thought it's a good tool to share, and I hope you enjoyed that video as well. Let's jump right into it. So, as usual, and my favorite stock to trade, Tesla, and I'm sure a lot of people also trade this, but regardless what ticker you trade and also what company, we're gonna focus on technical here, and my area would be, okay, I would love to be able to, of course, sell the stock that I want in the area that I have interest in. Let's say sell here, right there, right? Let's say sell here. Let me make it so it stands out. I want to sell here, and of course going buying somewhere here, right? Like this area. We make this green, that means we want to buy, right? So that would be really perfect. We could buy the area that we want and sell the area that we think it's a good time to sell, and that way we are safe in safe haven. Like, this is my sell area for this candle, somewhere along this area, right? This area, and then of course selling or buying this area. You don't want to, it's possible, but it's not really easy. You can't be predicting always the perfect entry, but we just want to use the zone and area for our trade. And for this example, I'm using 5 minutes, which is more reliable. And also, let's say if this is our day and this is the area of selling, okay, this, again, let's move that here as well. I want to sell here, buy, and buy here. Get bigger to see. Okay, somewhere along this area. But remember, we always look left for charting. This area used to be support, and after it's broken, it went down. Now became a resistance. So as you can see, it's rejected a few times. But the whole purpose is, if we are doing a day trade and this is our area, just making sure we are looking at regular hours. This is the regular hours, meaning if I eliminate extended hours, this is where we see, right? Okay. It would be perfect, right? Sell here or here, and even sell here as well, and buy here or here or even here. How cool is that? I want to buy here, I want to sell here, and I want to sell here, buy here, sell here, sell here, buy here. That's the perfect plan. Considering this area is resistant, once it's broken, it becomes support. So for this purpose, I'm using a two indicator. One of the indicator I'm using, it's called supply and demand, which is by Lux Algo, and I'm gonna just turn it on because I already have it. That helps you to also see the area of resistance and support. And then the second indicator I'm using for this is called super trend, which is here, and you can make a copy. You can see K1, I guess that's the name, C0Z Pelagic. So you can use that, and that's called super trend, and we're gonna add it, and let's see if it's helping us. Okay, remember we had some area mentally and visually that we were interested to sell, and I never deleted it. This is the area, sell, sell, and then one we have here, one we have, which is look perfectly happened. This area, we did not change it, right? We left it as it was. We wanted to sell here, and we wanted to buy here and buy here, right? Depending on the time frame, or because this is the extended time too. So basically after hours also included, but let's remove the after hours regular. So that would be our regular time. Buy, sell, sell, sell. So I think this indicator would help you if you implement another indicator, which I did, supply and demand. So once we see the area, supply and demand, this is the area with the red bar here. Basically, this is this demand. Blue area, depending on time frame, I think I had it in my last video. Based on your time frame, it automatically generates. So the blue area, it's basically supply, the red area is demand. So if we go to 5 minutes, so the bar moves depending on how far we go with the chart. It's going to bounce up and down. As you can see now, we know this is the area of supply, and demand stays the same, which is interesting. That means there's strong demand here, right? As we zoom in with our chart here, the area also changes. So for those who also going to comment, this is this buy here, sell, sell, buy here, are basically a reprint. I agree, no question, but it gives you couple minutes to reprint. the 3 minutes candle now we are on. Let's say we go to 5 minutes. If you, let's say we miss this candle, this candle, this candle, and these candles are each 5 minutes, so we got here this area, the print happens. Assuming this area the print happens, look at how much move you are basically using, and if you take the trade here, as soon as you see the reprint, then you already moved up all the way to here, and you get another reprint to sell, which is that area. So that's why the reprint is not really a big deal, because as I said, if this area is your entry and this area is your exit, you already have a good move, almost 3-1. So, and your stop of course would be the area of, first of all, support if it's broken and it's confirmed, and you can always get back to it. So that's why I believe this is a good indicator, as long as you use it with supply and demand, because the supply and demand is confirmation for you. This area is really support and this area is resistant, and of course once the resistance is broken it becomes support. And this sell, if I get rid of the reprint, if I get rid of the supply and demand, this is what you see if you only use a super trend. So we buy here, the indicator told us that, hey, this is the buy. We probably got in here around 209, and then we went $3 move. That's if you're doing, and if you do option, the same thing, because when I do trade option, I'm not looking always on the option chart. I always also have my chart as my actual ticker chart for the stock and price on the side to watch the reaction. So this is what I thought it would be nice to share. Sell here and this. Of course, you could get other stuff by yourself if you just felt like, oh, I'm going to sell here. You sold it here, you bought here based on the support and resistance. So you would be still correct if you follow the trend. Remember, if the trend is going, you still stay in trade. As soon as trend broken, which it happened here. So once it happened here, the trend is broken, right? This trend broke, then we are out. And we look at the reversal of this trend, which is happening here. So that's, to me, I actually traded Mara by this. Simply, I had nothing else, but I entered somewhere around, I think was 1480, which is right here, which would have given me reprint, exactly confirmation here. And I did get out because I don't want to sit on anything in this market. I did get out for $16.20. So I trade Mara here for almost $2 move, $1.80. So yeah, I thought this is a good indicator to use, and Look at this one, sell here. You would not get any buy alert or indicator all the way to here. That's perfect. And then even if you got in here, anywhere here, you're still in profit. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did so, I'm hoping you did. I would appreciate if you haven't subscribe. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up and like. And don't forget the notification bell for video like this. I am doing once a week a video that helps. I don't want to oversaturate the channel with this random video. I think when I see value that people might also get from my video, I would definitely create one. And if you have any comment, any request, anything that you want to know, let me know in the comment below. And I would appreciate again if you like that video. Until next video, guys, have a wonderful trading and enjoy your trading. Cheers.